welcome to Big Buyers Market Analysis. It was a classical expiry day. Market made highs and lows throughout. Nifty closed at 15,337 whereas Bank Nifty closed at 35,095. Let's take a look at how our watch list performed today. First one among our watch list was Jindal Steel, and we have given the buy call at 392.50. It made a huge up move and made a high of 402. Thus, a 3% move was easily caught. Second one among big buyers watch list yesterday was Titan, and buy call was given at 1595. It moved up to 1602, which gave a 7 points up as well. Later on the day, the same levels triggered again and made a high of 1607. Third one among our watch list was HDFC Bank, and we gave the sell call below 1472, and a huge downtrend was seen in the HDFC Bank in the first couple of hours, which also took Bank Nifty down. Made a low of 1462, which gave a 10 points profit. Going to the last stock that we recommended yesterday, which was Infosys, and for which the buy call was given at 1400. It made a high of 1416, made a huge boost. This made a huge boost to the IT sector as well. Now going to have a look at the Nifty levels of market today. At no point in time Nifty showed a downtrend. Nifty kept going and going, respected the 15,320 levels many times. It gained momentum in the last hour and made a high of 15,383. Looking at Bank Nifty was in the 34,500 to 34,800 range for more than 4 hours and broke 35,000 in the last hour. It made a high of 35,200, which boosted the Nifty as well. Now we are going to the Big Buyers Market Analysis for 28th of May 2021. Tomorrow, market is more likely to show a positive start due to the fresh positions taken by traders today. The important levels and options to trade tomorrow in Nifty. Today actually Nifty closed at 15,337. The nearest resistance is at 15,360 followed by 15,440. The profit booking scenarios are also expected in Nifty, which may pull the market down a bit. Now 15,200 CE and 15,300 CE are the best options for trading tomorrow if the market follows the general positive trend. And the strong 15,320 level will act as a good support if it comes down, which is followed by 15,270 and 15,250. Bank Nifty was not at all stable in the last week. The 35,000 levels were always rejected, and now the Bank Nifty closed today at 35,095. So a huge volatility is expected in Bank Nifty tomorrow. 35,000 is a good support zone, followed by 34,930 and 34,740 if the market goes down. And 34,500 PE and 34,600 PE can be added to the watch list, and trades can also be taken. Now 35,200 level is a very good demand supply zone if the market goes up, followed by 35,400 and 35,580. In this scenario, 35,500 CE and 35,400 CE are the best options to trade on tomorrow if the market moves up. Now take a look into other important sectors. As I stated earlier, Nifty IT moved up by 307 points today, and it also contributed well for the bull rally of Nifty. Now we are going to the final and last session, that is the big buyers watch list for tomorrow. The first one among them is State Bank of India. which has got a massive movement of 2.82% today and expected to give another move tomorrow also. And SBIN is currently trading at 425.20 and Big Bear recommends it to buy above 428.25 and sell below 420.35. The second one among big buyers watch list for tomorrow is Tata Steel, which is currently moving at the level 1096, that is 1096, and we would recommend Tata Steel to buy above 1108.60 and we will recommend to sell it below 1090.85. The third one among our watch list is Reliance Industries, which is currently performing at 1976 level, and we would recommend to buy Reliance Industries if it goes beyond 1987.75, and we would recommend it to sell if it goes below 1961. And the last and final one among the big buyers watch list for tomorrow is Madazumi, with whose current market price is 233.10, and we would recommend to buy Madazumi if it goes above 235.25, and we would recommend to sell it if it goes below 230.50.